Children, in this video, let us learn addition of integers. Children, shall we use number line for addition? It makes us to understand the concept very easily. First, we have to draw a number line for integers. Children, we have to mark 0, positive integers and negative integers. First, let us learn how to add two positive integers on a number line. Let us take an example, positive 4 plus positive 5. Children, can we find the answer with the help of this frog? The frog always starts from 0. Children, plus 4 means the frog has to jump to the right. From 0, the frog has to move 4 steps to the right. Now the frog lands at plus 4. Plus 5 means again the frog has to move 5 steps to the right. From 4, the frog has to move 5 steps to the right. Now the frog lands at plus 9. So children, positive 4 plus positive 5 is equal to positive 9. Children, now let us see how to add two negative integers on the number line. Let us take an example, negative 4 plus negative 5. Let us take the help of frog again. Negative 4 means the frog has to move 4 steps to the left. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the frog lands at minus 4. The next integer is minus 5. It means the frog has to move 5 steps to the left. Now the frog lands at minus 9. So children, minus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 9. Now the third case is, let us see how to add a positive integer and a negative integer. Let us take an example, plus 4 plus minus 5. The frog is at 0. The first integer is plus 4. So from 0, the frog has to jump 4 steps to the right. Now the next integer is minus 5. Minus symbol means the frog has to move to the left. That is 5 steps to the left. Now the frog has reached at minus 1. Now the frog is at minus 1. So children, positive 4 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 1. Now case 4, let us see how to add a negative integer and a positive integer. Let us take an example, negative 4 plus 5. The first integer is minus 4. It means from 0, the frog has to move 4 steps to the left. The frog lands at minus 4. The second integer is plus 5. Plus sign means the frog has to move to right. That is, it has to move 5 steps to the right. Now the frog lands at plus 1. So, negative 4 plus positive 5 is equal to positive 1. Children, similarly, can you try positive 5 plus negative 3? Children, you have to draw a number line like this and try yourself. Children, now let us see how to add integers without using number line. First, let us see how to add two positive integers. Children, when we add two positive integers, add them and the answer will take plus sign. Children, what is plus 2 plus 5? Yes, they are positive integers. So we add them and the answer take plus sign. So plus 2 plus 5 is plus 7. What is plus 3 plus 7? Yes, the answer is plus 10. Children, now let us see how to add two negative integers without using number line. Children, if you are given two negative integers to add, we add them but the answer will take a minus sign. Children, here you keep in mind, we add the two integers but the answer will take minus sign. Here, what is minus 2 plus minus 5? Yes, you are right. The answer is minus 7, a negative integer. Children, what is minus 8 plus minus 3? Yes, again you are right. Answer is minus 11. So when we add two negative integers, the answer will be a negative integer. Now let us see the third case and fourth case. Case 3 is addition of a positive integer and a negative integer, and case 4 is addition of a negative integer and a positive integer. Children, in case 3 and case 4 we use the same rule. Children, if we are given a positive integer and a negative integer, or a negative integer and a positive integer, we subtract. Here, the answer will take the sign of the bigger integer. Children, here, the bigger integer is decided by ignoring the signs of the two numbers. Let us understand it with examples. Children, you observe the first problem. Children, here, let us solve the first problem. Plus 9 plus minus 5. Here, first one is positive and second one is negative. What is 9 minus 5? Yes, it is 4. Children, what is the sign of the answer? Here, the first integer is plus 9. If we ignore the sign of plus 9, we get 9. The second integer is minus 5. If we avoid the sign, we get 5. Avoiding the sign, which number is larger? Yes, 9 is larger. What is its sign? It is plus. So, answer takes plus sign. So, answer is plus 4. Children, let us see the second example. If we subtract, we get 8. What is the sign of the answer? Yes, if we avoid the sign of the two integers, here 10 is larger, its sign is minus. So, answer is minus 8. Children, can you solve the third problem? Here, if we subtract 1 from 6, we get 5. What is the sign of the answer? Yes, here if we avoid the sign of the two integers, 6 is larger. Its sign is minus, so answer take negative sign. So the answer is minus 5. Children, that's all for today. I hope you understood it very well. We'll meet again in our next session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.